मुंबई में रखा गया जुम्बा मास्टर क्लास इवेंट जो था अपने आप में ही काफी स्पेशल, क्योंकि द फाउंडर ऑफ जुम्बा फिटनेस, बेटो पेरेज, flew down to India for this event. Plus, there were over 2,000 people to whom Beto Perez provided a unique masterclass. Also, the founder spoke to Zoom about his Zumba fitness.
Zumba, it's in India, people open your mind and love the program immediately. For a long time, I want to come here because I feel the people in India is the same like in my country in Colombia. We love music, we love celebration, and it's the same thing and the same feeling. And I think the Zumba represents these two qualities with the personality of the Indian people.
Apart from Beto, we also interacted with Sucheta Pal, who is the Zumba education specialist in India and also renowned choreographer Shamak Davar. और इन दोनों से हमने बेटो परेज के साथ-साथ Zumba master class में बात की.
I love Zumba in India, and I'm so happy that Zumba and Beto and I have joined together Bollywood flavors and Indian rhythms, and we're going to get a lot of Bollywood involved, and we're going to make it more interesting for people in India and more different, a lot of different flavors, and Bollywood being the strongest, as you know. So Beto and I, Zumba and I, we're doing something together called Bollywood Flavors, so I hope that really works out.
It's amazing. Being a master trainer for India, it's a dream to have the creator come and see what we have done in India in terms of the growth of Zumba fitness. So Zumba is a dance fitness party which has taken over the world, over 185 countries. And it's amazing because it's simple, easy to follow, anyone can do it. Age no bar, male, female, kids. Do it in the pool. It's called Aqua Zumba. It's for active older adults. It's called Zumba Gold. You have Centaur, which is hardcore fitness. It's for each and everyone. I think that's the best part about Zumba fitness.
वैसे इस event के लिए not only Indians but also people outside from India participated for the same and shared their experience about this event.
It's awesome. I mean, anyone who's into Zumba shouldn't have missed this.
Evening was very exciting. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of energy that's happening. Beto has actually rocked the whole floor. There are more than 1,000 people, and it's actually fun. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of energy. It's a lot of calorie burning.
The evening is really awesome. It's fun-filled, and just love Beto and I just love Zumba. So it's all fun for me.
Well, after yoga, Zumba seems to be a new trend in the country. And if you guys have not yet tried, you should go for this one. Bureau Report, Zoom, Mumbai.